Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with my next zodiac sign, that is Aquarius, for June 2021. So June 2021, well, I'm sorry not to be uploading the May month reading. I know so many messages, my God, so many messages, but I don't know, I couldn't do it and I was not well. I didn't have the strength to record the videos, so it got missed May month. So please excuse me for that. Now I am reading for June 2021 Aquarius. So let's see what Aquarians have in June. I'm too excited and I missed my tribe so much. I really missed you all. And let's see what we have for Aquarius. Aquarius 2021. Okay. So Aquarians are in a mode right now. I feel there's a lot of twin flame karmic energy around you, Aquarians. I feel there's a lot of karma around your mind or maybe around your life. I feel there's a lot of twin flame energy, a lot of soulmate energy which you are looking for. Maybe somewhere you're trying to balance out two relationships. Aquarians, you are trying to balance out two relationships. You are basically now contemplating where to go. Okay, let's get with the work reading. So the first week of June for Aquarians, I feel you are balancing out money. Money also is a problem right now. There is a lot of blocked energy. Yeah, but I feel in the near future there is an offer coming, but not a very big offer, but a small offer coming towards you for, offering you some investment money, work offers coming soon. I feel the first week you're really going to be on guard around your work. Very vigilant, very careful, because you feel that you faced a lot of negativity through people. I see a lot of jealous people around you, a group of people jealous who try to put your business down. And in the first week of June, you're going to be very careful around that energy and you will succeed. You will be able to protect your business and, do the needful. Sorry, my house bell. And the second week is going to be a lot of, I can say, you will be in that kind of energy, Aquarians, where you're going to be very strict with your work. Very strict, very disciplined about your life and your work. Okay, I also feel there will be some secrets revealed around your personal life. Something around your personal life, I feel, Aquarians, there will be some revelation or some secrets will come out which you didn't know about it and you will know now. Okay, and the third week you're going to be totally creative, totally in your power, totally moving forward. Maybe it could be that you might have an appraisal in your position. Okay, you might have an appraisal in your position in the third week. It's a good energy for work. And in the fourth week, again, the same karmic energy that you've been thinking about. Okay, the same karmic energy that you've been thinking about will come to you in the fourth week. There's a lot of karma coming back. That's what I feel. See, to each to its own. I feel there is some past karma coming in front of you. Now let me see if it's in a good way or a bad way. Yes, it is going to be some trouble caused in your life, and that is going to be a karmic payback to you. Sometimes things just stop for some time, for a week or maybe 10 days. Okay, that stop is going to be due to some past life issue. Okay, but there is going to be a stop for say 8 to 10 days in your work, and then again it will begin. And that stop could be those obstacles which you face around your family. It could be something around your family that might happen, and the work will stop for 10 days and then again it will move forward. So I feel June for Aquarians is not a bad month, except for the fourth week where there will be a little stop energy. I literally feel it will stop for some time. and it will be due to your family issues. Okay, so there will be a stop for those 10 days, so don't worry. After the 10 days things will start moving again, but the first, second, third week are absolutely okay. There are a lot of revelations happening for you. There is a lot of like you were very easy with your work, you won't be easy with your work. So those are the good things. See, whenever something bad or something happens in our life, it teaches us something. So it has taught you something, Aquarians, and in the month of June you're going to learn more. We need to learn our karmic lessons, otherwise we don't uplift. This is a part of ascension. This is a part of, becoming more aware in life, more spiritually aware. That's what I feel. It was, see, my difficulties have taught me a lot, so it's always good to learn, right? So let's see what we have in our relationship for Aquarians. Let's see. Relationship for Aquarians in the month of June is going to be Aquarians. I feel that there is a lot of imbalance of yin and yang. Lot of imbalance of yin and yang. When there is an imbalance of yin and yang, what happens is your relationship does not go well. There is a lot of giving and not receiving. So in the past, I think your relationship has been only giving. I feel that both the partners, Aquarian and Aquarian partners, whoever you are with, okay, it has to be a balance of relationship. There is no equality in the relationship. Okay, in this month, you will work on that equality. You will say, whatever I give, I need to receive, or whatever I was receiving, I need to give. So there is a lot of giving and receiving energy in the month of June. Lot of giving and receiving, and I'll tell you, this will only happen or work out if you take the lead. You have to take the first step to start giving. Okay, so if you start giving, you take the lead, you take the initiative to work on your relationship in a balanced way. Your relationship will balance out very well. Your bonds will strengthen. That's a good one. Okay. But somewhere in the strengthening bonds, I feel I see a single person over you. So I feel it will be only you who's trying to do it. So if your partner does not respond to what you are trying to show or you are trying to give, I think you should walk out, because here we have a card of reach out. Okay, reach out means if you take help of others, if you tell your friends or family to come in between and talk out your relationship with that person, if it's your wife or your girlfriend or your whoever you are with, because something I feel is blocked here, because there's third eye. Because your situation right now is only one-sided. I feel your partner is not ready to see or receive anything, because you're trying to strengthen the bonds. Maybe you're trying to involve others who are close to that person. You're trying to strike a balance. You're trying to shine in this relation, take a lead. You are also trying to heal the relationship, but at the same time there is some truth, Aquarians, you need to acknowledge. Maybe you don't know the truth about that person, or maybe there are certain things around that person that you're not ready to see. So I feel that if you are not ready to see, you will not heal the relationship. And in this month of June, you have to work on your third eye so that you can see this relationship clearly the way it is. Okay, by just taking efforts, it's not going to heal. So please take efforts, and please also work on your third eye so that you know whom you're giving to. Maybe you're giving to an ungrateful person. How do you know that? Right? You will not. Sometimes we don't see clearly. Okay, working on your third eye will really give you clarity. Or you can just keep an amethyst under your pillow and with an intention saying that, I need to know clarity about this relationship. An intention with a strong mind will definitely work, because it does work. It does give you the results. Okay, so that's all. And let me see what we have in our fairy message for Aquarians. Your desires within reach. So whatever you want, you can have faith, as everything is working in your favor. So maybe the universe will show you the truth eventually. It will work in your favor. Everything that you want, your work, your relationship, everything will come in your favor. You just have to be patient and you have to let it go. You have to let the universe decide, show you the clarity. Just keep an intention. That's all. Okay. So that's all. This is the month of June reading for Aquarius, and please call me for personal paid appointments only. Email me for personal paid appointments only, and don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And that's all for today. Please don't forget to share it with your family and friends, the video, and that's all. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye.